Hello, hello. In Shona, we say Murisei, Murisei. Thank you for joining me in this video tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about homonyms, and the homonyms that we're going to talk about today, which are Shona words, which have the same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meanings depending on its contextual usage. We will go through some of the most common Shona words which fall in this category and actually do some example sentences so that you can understand how you get to determine or how you get to understand what the meaning of the word is. Keep watching. The first homonym that we're going to talk about is Zuva. Zuva. Believe you me when I tell you that when we translate Zuva into English, it can either be sun or day. The translation of the word Zuva gives us different English translations based on its contextual usage in a sentence. So let's do some example sentences. The sun is up. In Shona, this becomes Zuva rabuda. Zuva rabuda. Zuva rabuda. The sun, Zuva, is up. Rabuda. The does not exist in Shona, which is a definitive article. So the does not exist in Shona. So the sun just becomes Zuva is up. Rabuda. On the other hand, one day I will surprise you. Rimwe zuva ndichakushamisa. Rimwe zuva ndichakushamisa. One day, rimwe zuva, I will surprise you, becomes one word, ndichakushamisa. I hope this helps you understand now the different contextual meanings of these words when it comes to Shona. But it's the same word, same pronunciation, but different meanings depending on how it is used in a sentence. Let's go to the next word. Mwedzi. Mwedzi. Mwedzi can be translated to month or moon. Moon. Let's do some example sentences so that you can get the context in which you translate it to the meaning of month or the meaning of moon. I will start at the end of the month. In Shona, ndichatanga panopera mwedzi. Ndichatanga panopera mwedzi. I will start ndichatanga at the end of the panopera month mwedzi. Ndichatanga panopera mwedzi. The moon is full today. Mwedzi wakazara nasi. The moon in Shona becomes mwedzi is full today. Wakazara is full. Today, nasi. Mwedzi wakazara nasi. I hope this helps. Let's go to another word. Gore. Gore. Gore can be translated to year or cloud or clouds. Let's do some example sentences so that you can also get more understanding on this word. I will finish this year. In Shona, ndichapedza gore rino. Ndichapedza gore rino. I will finish ndichapedza this year. Gore rino. Gore rino. Ndichapedza gore rino. On the other hand, look at that cloud in the sky. In Shona, tarisa gore iro mudenga. Tarisa gore iro mudenga. Look at that Tarisa cloud, gore, in the sky, iro mudenga. I hope this helps. We will also do denga in one of the videos because it's also another homonym. It's the same spelling, same pronunciation, but can have different meanings depending on how it's used in a sentence. Okay, let's go to the next word. Tamba. Tamba. Tamba can be translated to play or dance. I don't know, maybe Shona ran out of words or something, but I believe most languages have got homonyms as well. And it's not something that's peculiar to Shona. But anyways, play, in Shona it's tamba. Dance, in Shona it's tamba. Let's do some example sentences. Let's play soccer. Ngati tambe navu. Let's becomes this prefix, ngati. Play, tambe. Soccer, navu. Ngati tambe navu. I understand our translation, it has got an A at the end, but in this case, we placed an E. So usually when we place a prefix in front of the word tamba, we change the last letter from A to E because you're referring to something that can be done by people. So let's play soccer becomes ngati tambe navu. Come dance with me. In Shona becomes uya utambe neni. Uya utambe neni. Come, it's uya. Dance with me. Utambe neni. Utambe neni. I hope that helps. Next word, it's rurimi. Rurimi. Rurimi can be translated to tongue or language, depending on its contextual usage in a sentence. Let's do some example sentences. Tendai bit his tongue. Tendai aziruma rurimi. Tendai aziruma rurimi. So this is tongue. Bit is aziruma. Bit aziruma rurimi. Bit is tongue. On the other hand, what language do you speak? In Shona, this becomes unotaura rurimi rupi. Unotaura rurimi rupi. What language? Unotaura rurimi rupi. Do you speak rupi? And the quiz. And the quiz question is, what is the Shona translation of cloud and sun? So is it A or is it B? Try it out and see if you get the answer right. And the answer is B. Cloud, it's gore. Gore. Sun, it's zuva. Zuva. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. For the love of Shona. See you in the next one. Tendai.